Meghalaya Games arajar arbsau kasang kakasan tarik ukulan kot arajar arbsau hanong ba tura Hapdeng gejung ipu ifing bat kan le rum renggat ka jalan langru ki hanya ke jala kan tup yo mesti rembak ke jala o mesti kerat sport sebab komjuru ka presiden dari India ke dalam konsan dalam ki dia kan dari sanjila ka jadi sama
I'm confident that events like Meghalaya Games will encourage athletes for excellence, promote competitiveness, and create a vibrant sporting ecosystem. The National Sports University provides courses on sports science, sports technology, sports management, and sports coaching. I am sure it will create a rich sports ecosystem in the region. Ladies and gentlemen, I am told that about 3,000 athletes are participating in these games. I appreciate the state government and the organizers for hosting this event. The decision of the government to hold these games in different parts of the state is a welcome step and would ensure wider reach of such events among masses. The development of sports instructors in the state will also get a boost when big events are held at different venues.
Hendai tang khendat por hadian baka presiden murmu kana dapat pli ya kene karan Nongialehkai kijung ujo tlasang wan mi akhiran sa social media khamtam kai bedei berkabam ka belasam na ka benta Nongialehkai
Namar kecing mumyo aja Hablek kudus dah kejat Naduk tu Rapi Stadium Shadow Sport Chanmari Women Hostel
tang Nongialehkai beki coach ki bola ujor ya kani ke jingom yo bam ka por ka babyang reward ki driver kaliru ki baik di duty sport tura ki ujor ya kani ke jingom yo bam ko jongki haba ki le sport tura kam ta kam Meghalaya Games
konrat mulai kumno lai dari baro penbiang kabam dukan ro pakhanglot tangkabam kasar miyak peniai kumno mna sibir dam ro khoi dari baro on phai selong na dukan ro khanglot ban bam jika ba siat mo uro mi pore la wan dutilot baro khoi dukan ro miyak
bola kataru ya kani ke Nongialehkai ni kasi bastang jo je la kala pun pu pen phieng ki fireworks but ki de ki cultural program
Ipa